The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the planet, spans over 2.1 million square miles and produces more than 20% of the oxygen we breathe. It's home to 30% of the world's biodiversity. To indigenous people of the land, the rainforest is a pharmacy with thousands of plant species capable of healing physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual ailments. Yet deforestation and exploitation claim over 52,000 square miles of rainforest each year. Without intervention, we risk losing the Amazon within the next 50 years, along with its biodiversity, cultural heritage, and sacred medicines. For indigenous communities throughout the Amazon, including the Shipibo-Konibo in central Peru, these challenges are deeply personal. Economic pressures are drawing younger generations to cities, disrupting the transmission of ancestral knowledge about medicinal plants and traditional ways of life. Ayahuasca has become known around the world as an agent for healing and transformation. At the same time, ayahuasca tourism and export resulting in rising demand for ayahuasca has led to the overharvesting of old-growth vines, placing unsustainable pressure on the forest. Without action, this invaluable cultural and ecological heritage could be lost forever.
Nishi es el ayahuasca y Pacha es 100, ¿no? Entonces 100 años. Hemos tratado de restaurar un pequeño espacio, ¿no? Y crear una diversidad de plantas como para tutores de ayahuasca.
Pacha Nishi was created in partnership with the Hakunrata Educational Center, a Shipibo-Konibo community of cultural and environmental stewards in Santa Rosita, Peru, to restore the forest and its sacred traditions. Together, we are working to reforest degraded lands and restore native habitats, secure a sustainable source of medicinal plants for future generations, and create economic opportunities that support the continuation of Shipibo cultural and ecological stewardship. In 2024, Pacha Nishi and Hakunrata together planted the seeds of this vision with an experimental plot of over 400 trees and a nursery to propagate native plants. Since then, we've expanded to new plots, planting lianas on existing trees and testing innovative methods to regenerate the forest. These efforts have laid the groundwork for a vibrant, self-sustaining ecosystem.
Hemos plantado en enero de 2024. Aquí estamos en el vivero de Hakunrata, ¿no? Este es el vivero donde estamos produciendo las plantas, donde estamos sembrando en el terreno de Hakunrata. Donde existe un bosque, es una industria farmacéutica para el pueblo indígena, porque ahí se encuentran todas las plantas medicinales. Crear un ecosistema, ¿no? Un ecosistema donde van a crear también y va a venir también muchos animales, los pajaritos, los animales, entonces es un sistema, ¿no? Bien bonito. Eso es lo que queremos hacer aquí.
Now, we are ready to expand this transformative project. Pacha Nishi has formed its own majority Shipibo-run NGO. Our next steps include purchasing more land to create a hub for reforestation and medicine cultivation. Over the next 5 years, we will build a processing facility, solar-powered well, large nursery, and accommodations for students and guests. Scholarships will support Shipibo agroforestry students to advance their studies at a US-based graduate program, blending academic knowledge with traditional wisdom to guide this project forward. Within 5 years, Pacha Nishi will be fully operational, growing medicinal plants, supporting ecotourism, and offering a replicable model for forest restoration across the Amazon. But this is just the beginning. With government subsidies, carbon offset grants, and partnerships across the region, we aim to extend these efforts to restore forests and create cultural and economic opportunities on a much broader scale. Pacha Nishi is about more than reforestation. It's a partnership to protect the Amazon, preserve ancestral knowledge, and ensure the future of sacred medicines. Join us in this journey. Together, we can restore the forest, support the integration of Shipibo-Konibo cultural wisdom, and build a thriving legacy for generations to come.
Akong gichina so anggar ko ke minus kerhau jake. Men noi bati no remas keramu mo. Akai ke.
Partner with Pacha Nishi today.